Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 3.1 of Unit 3, Trading Platforms. In this lesson, we're going to cover the MetaTrader 4 platform, from opening a demo account to placing orders. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use MT4 like a pro. Let's get into it. So what is MT4? MetaTrader 4 is the most widely used trading platform in the world, and the best part is that it's free to download. You can download it from the official MetaTrader website, and it's available for both Windows and Mac. To open a demo account on MT4, you need to follow these simple steps. First, download and install the platform. Then open it and click on File and Open an account. Fill in the required information, and you will receive a demo account with virtual money to practice trading. Now that we have our demo account, let's take a look at the MT4 interface. The Market Watch panel shows you the current prices of different currency pairs. The chart window displays the price chart. The navigator shows you your accounts and indicators, and the terminal displays your open trades and account information. To open a chart, simply click on the File menu and select New Chart. Then choose the currency pair you want to trade, such as Euro to US dollar. You can also change the time frame of the chart by clicking on the period button and selecting the desired time frame, such as M1, M5, or H1. Let's take a look at the different time frames available on MT4. The M1 time frame shows you the price movement over the last minute, while the H1 time frame shows you the price movement over the last hour. You can choose the time frame that suits your trading style. MT4 also allows you to change the chart type. You can choose from a line chart, a bar chart, or a candlestick chart. The candlestick chart is the most popular chart type, as it provides the most information about the price movement. To place a market order, you need to click on the Order window and select the Market Execution tab. Then, choose the currency pair you want to trade, select the lot size, and click on the Buy or Sell button. You can also set a stop loss and take profit level to limit your potential losses and lock in your profits. MT4 also allows you to set pending orders. A pending order is an order that is executed when the price reaches a certain level. You can choose from Buy Stop, Sell Stop, Buy Limit, or Sell Limit order. For example, you can set a Buy Stop order to buy the Euro to US dollar currency pair when the price reaches 1.1000. The terminal is where you can see your open trades and account information. You can see the current price, the stop loss and take profit levels, and the profit or loss of each trade. You can also see your account balance, equity, and margin. Now that we have covered the basics of MT4, it's time to place your first practice trade. Open the MT4 platform, select the currency pair you want to trade, and set the lot size and stop loss and take profit levels. Then, click on the Buy or Sell button to execute the trade. That's it. You have now placed your first practice trade on MT4. Remember to always use a demo account to practice trading before using a live account. And don't forget to set a stop loss and take profit level to limit your potential losses and lock in your profits. That is everything for lesson 3.1, MetaTrader 4 complete walkthrough. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.